Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel specialized in designing MATLAB applications. This video is about a fantastic program that can easily select the desired picture in a directory and then convert it to an ASCII code, which can then be exported as .txt file. Let's see how this app works. Let's run the application, expanding it. From the top, you can select the directory where the picture that you need to make it as an ASCII code is located in. So let's select the folder. For example, this folder contains some famous people. After that, you can select the desired picture or photo from the list shown at the left side here. We can select any picture, and then to ensure it is the one you need to convert it, it will be displayed in the UI image here. So let's select any picture. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, for example. We can see that when the picture is displayed in the UI image at the left bottom, at the same time it is displayed in the text area here, which can be zoomed in or out to have the best view, because some pictures are big. For example, this picture. Okay, so to see this picture, we can zoom it in or out till reaching the best view. We can see, for example, this picture, because it is so big, so we need to zoom it. We can see it. If we want to see the ASCII code, we can go here. We can make zoom, 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 zoom. We can press here, and we can see that the picture consists of just ASCII codes. Let's see another picture. For example, this picture. For which one? This is for Elon Musk. We can decrease the view or zoom it out. We can have this view. We can select another one. This is for Donald Trump. This is for Biden, Putin, for Steve Jobs, for Bill Gates. We can see, for example, this one. This is for Barack Obama. We can select what is about 10. What is 10? Okay. 12. Okay. 13. Okay. And let's see, 15. It is not restricted just for people or for portrait pictures. We can select even any picture. For example, if we select here from Midjourney some pictures generated from Midjourney, can select, for example, anyone, this one, for example. We can make it bigger, can zoom it from here. Okay. And we can save it as .txt file. We can select any file, for example, export .txt, and save it. So we can see that the file export.txt is generated. If we go to this file, we can see it here. So we can open it, okay, and we can make a view. For example, zoom in and zoom out, Control plus or Control minus. So we need to make zoom out, so Control minus, and we can see the pictures. If we want to see the ASCII code, then we can press Control and plus, and we can see these codes. Okay, so we can see the tree. We can come here and select these people. Let's select another famous man, for example, Zinedine Zidane. Okay. We can export the file, and then we can come here to see the file Zidane. Control and minus, we can see him. We can see the details. So this is the app. You can have the program either as an app that can be installed and run inside MATLAB through MATLAB Apps Manager. From here, you can install the app from this tab and press Install App and select the applications, which can be downloaded from the link provided below, or you can download the entire project of App Designer, this one. Okay, so you can get the entire project, which is open source code, and you can do whatever you want, modifying the applications for your own applications, and the links are provided also below in the description. At the end, we would like to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more advanced apps. Goodbye.